হয় এটা অবশ্যই খেয়াল করব সকলেই পবিত্রতার সাথে আমরা মসজিদে
পুরো সিট ফাঁকা মাত্র 16 জন পুরো বাসে আমরা
অবস্থায় মসজিদে নববীর ভিতরে কেউ যাব না
Here we have got our snacks. Our Muallim is provided us some snacks item here. As you can see, there are 7 doors in Saudi Arabia, and passengers sleeping here. He's trying to escape from his responsibilities. Like then by chara khai. Oh, eki. Oh, acha.
juice pani pare khao
These are croissants, chocolate stuffed croissant, as you can see, and it is a popular food in Saudi Arabia, and it is called 7 doos here, local. Now I'm gonna taste this. Let's see, does it taste like it looks? There is stuffed chocolate inside of this bun, and it is really soft. Mango does. I have got the strawberry flavor. Nice. Almarai. Right now, I'm enjoying beers while sitting in front of the line of the bus. Alhamdulillah, we have almost reached to our desired destination, Al Madina. Probably it will take more 1 hour or 1 hour 10 to 15 minutes.
ঠিক আছে তো খুশি তো
জি আলহামদুলিল্লাহ
আপনার কাম আছে বলেন ইনশাআল্লাহ একবারে
Alhamdulillah, right now we safely reached to Medina, and here is the Masjid Al-Nawawi. MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah for everything we want. Amjad Al-Gahrah is quite impressive, but let's have a look. Alhamdulillah, all credit goes to Almighty Allah. Now we are proceeding for Ziyarah of Riyazul Jannah in Masjid Nabawi. There's too much line here, too much serial here, but we have got our Muallim, and he's convinced the person who are in the authority in Yusuf. So now we are proceed for our brother without any hesitation and without maintaining any line. So hopefully after some time, after some time we will Waited for a long time. It is going to be almost 6:30, and yes, there it is.
يا ولد دقيت على العسكري
अब हम निकल रहे हैं यहाँ से। अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाह। बिस्मिल्लाह। अल्लाह पाक के लिए बंद कर दिले माशाल्लाह। Now we are inside of a date garden. From here you can buy different types of dates in wholesale or affordable prices, but you have to bargain with them. Choice is yours. These are the items they have. They have different types of dates like Mabroom, Ajwa, these ones.
هذا في 40 ريال كيلو 40 40 ريال.
They're asking for a lot of extra prices. Perhaps we can purchase it in the outside of Medina in affordable prices like 20 to 25 reals per kilos, but here they're asking for a lot of prices. And the coconut mix. These are also the dates. These are also dates, stuffed coconut stuffed dates. Only coconuts, chocolates like. These are the coconut chocolates, like the chocolate inside of the chocolate, they stuffed coconuts. And these are the chocolates item. Whatever you want, you can pick one like this one, Moxie. All are for kilos, per kilos. What are the prices of kilos for these? 60 reals. 1 kilo. They're asking for extra prices. Too much. 60 of kilos.
Kilo 60.
They're asking for a lot of prices here. Like yesterday, I have purchased 2 kilos of these ones. Like these and these are mixed up. I've purchased 2 kilos of these yesterday, but in affordable prices. But here, they're asking for a lot of prices, and I think it's not a good deal to purchase from them because you can also find it near the Medina or yes, they are asking for the extra prices. So I think it's not a good decision to purchase these things from here. Perhaps you can buy it from the outside circle of the Medina, like Bilal Masjid nearby. From there you can purchase these items in affordable prices, but for now it's not a good deal to purchase chocolates from here. So we are moving forward, and these are the date trees. Here you can see the different types of dates here, and basically it is a tourism spot currently. A lot of Hajis came here every year, every day, every season, and they purchase dates from this garden because they think like they're purchasing the good one. Either they didn't know about the prices, so I think it's not a good deal to purchase these things from there.